Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be sharing some tips on how to put a baby to sleep. I know this can be a challenging task, but with a few simple tricks, you can get your little one sleeping soundly in no time. So, let's get started. Here are a few things to keep in mind when putting a baby to sleep. Number 1. Create a bedtime routine. This is one of the most important things you can do to help your baby sleep well. The routine should be calming and relaxing, and it should happen at the same time each night. This will help your baby learn to associate bedtime with sleep. Number 2. Make sure your baby's environment is conducive to sleep. This means keeping the room dark, quiet, and cool. You may also want to use a white noise machine to block out any distracting noises. Number 3. Avoid feeding your baby too close to bedtime. This can make it harder for them to fall asleep. If your baby is hungry, try to feed them at least 30 minutes before bedtime. Number 4. Swaddle your baby. Swaddling can help your baby feel secure and comfortable, which can make it easier for them to fall asleep. Number 5. Rock or pat your baby. This can help your baby relax and fall asleep. You can also try singing a lullaby or reading a story. Number 6. Be patient. It may take some time for your baby to learn how to fall asleep on their own. Don't get frustrated if they don't fall asleep right away. Just keep calm and patient, and eventually they will get the hang of it. Here are some additional tips that may help you put your baby to sleep. 1. Take your baby for a walk or drive before bedtime to help them tire out. 2. Avoid stimulating activities before bedtime, such as watching TV or playing with loud toys. 3. If your baby is having trouble falling asleep, try to stay calm and patient. Don't get frustrated, as this will only make things worse. 4. If your baby is crying, try to soothe them without picking them up. You can try patting their back, rubbing their tummy, or singing to them. 5. If your baby is still having trouble falling asleep after 20 minutes, try putting them down in their crib and leaving the room. This will teach them that they need to fall asleep on their own. If you're still struggling to put your baby to sleep, please don't hesitate to reach out to your pediatrician for help. They can offer additional advice and support. I hope these tips help you put your baby to sleep. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more parenting tips. Thank you for watching.